AMPX stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is Amprius technology stock of buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And as the only person in this space with 43,000 videos over 5 years, documented everything. I'm the only person that can tell you that it's documented, actually shown what's working and what's not, because it's on my YouTube channel. And this is so sick because here's the before, mate. Like, this was sitting at a 13th of July. At the time, we're already 6:45.
Showed me what I probably potentially buy here, but you know what I mean. So
boom.
I'll keep you updated.
There you go. That's when I called it out. And since we got that shift and a double break from there, nothing has changed. It sort of just did its thing. Key part is then still looking to double down on this market. Like, buying randomly will just not be the way, at least for me. So if it sort of pulls and shows me the shift, then of course I'm going to look to double down, buy more. And I mean, easy. So all I'm doing in the meantime, just waiting for rules. And if you want to stay tuned and get my free money making emails and insights, absolutely free, click the first link in the description.